Project P1, initiated in 1964 within GoMora laboratories, represents the first experimental step toward the development of a controlled spatial matter transfer device. After 6 years of theoretical research and prototype development, the P1 unit entered experimental production in 1970. This document is intended to inform authorized scientific personnel of the current characteristics, performance, and limitations of the device. The P1 is a small metallic cube designed to contain a small mineral object. General physical characteristics: external structure, reinforced metal alloy. Internal chamber, mineral containment compartment. Power source, sealed internal energy module. Interface, secure mechanical insertion system. The device does not provide accessible controls once activated. After insertion of the object and initiation of the cycle, the process operates autonomously. The P1 operates using an experimental short-range spatial transfer mechanism applied exclusively to inert mineral matter. Operational sequence: 1. Insertion of a small mineral object into the internal chamber. 2. Closure and secure locking of the compartment. 3. Activation of the transfer cycle. Extended energy phase, average duration 1 hour and 30 minutes. Relocation of the object within a radius of less than 2 meters from the device. At the current stage of development, the destination point cannot be controlled. The object reappears at a random location within the immediate surrounding area. At this stage of development, the P1 demonstrates a maximum effective teleportation range of less than 2 meters from the device. The relocated object consistently reappears somewhere within this limited radius, though its exact position remains unpredictable. The average duration of a complete transfer cycle is approximately 1 hour and 30 minutes. This time frame has remained relatively stable under controlled laboratory conditions. The device is capable of teleporting only small inert mineral objects. Materials containing organic components, biological matter, or complex composite structures are incompatible with the current system configuration. When operated under controlled environmental conditions, the device has demonstrated stable and repeatable functionality within these parameters. Ongoing research has identified several major constraints. Extremely limited range. The relocation radius remains below 2 meters, with no current capacity for adjustment. 2. Material restriction. Only inert mineral objects are compatible. Any attempt to introduce organic or living matter is strictly prohibited. Extended cycle duration. The 90-minute average cycle time represents a significant limitation for practical applications. 4. Notable physical side effect. Or production of dense smoke during the final phase. Or intense acoustic emissions and mechanical vibration. Localized thermal increase. These effects require operation within an isolated, ventilated, and sound-insulated chamber. Operation restricted to confined laboratory chambers. Absolute prohibition of living matter insertion. Personnel evacuation during the final 10 minutes of the cycle. Mandatory post-cycle inspection prior to object retrieval. Any anomaly must be recorded in the P1 SG70 log registry.